Have you ever wanted to know the secret to making someone think about you constantly, long after the conversation ends? It's not about looks, money, or even what you say. It's about creating a lasting impression, something that lingers in her mind and draws her back to you again and again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build that connection step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stay on her mind like no one else ever has. Number 1, make her feel truly seen. Here's the thing, most guys miss this entirely. Women are used to surface level compliments like, "You're beautiful," or "I like your outfit." That's fine, but if you want to stand out, you've got to go deeper. For example, imagine she tells you she's stressed about her work or a side project she's working on. Instead of just saying, "That sounds tough," ask her, "What's been the most challenging part for you and how are you handling it?" That one question shows her that you're actually paying attention and genuinely care. When she feels seen, like you're really interested in her mind, not just her looks, that's when you become unforgettable. It's a rare kind of connection and it leaves a mark. Number 2, keep a touch of mystery. You know what's fascinating? The human brain loves puzzles. If you give someone all the answers up front, there's nothing left to wonder about. The same goes for how you present yourself to her. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Maybe you're into something unique, like martial arts, photography, or even cooking. Share a glimpse of it, but don't over-explain. Let her ask questions. Let her lean in to know more. For example, say, "I've been working on something creative lately. It's been keeping me busy." Then leave it at that. That little gap of mystery keeps her intrigued. She'll find herself wondering, what is he up to? Or what's he passionate about? And trust me, curiosity has a way of sticking around. Number 3, build inside moments only you share. Think about this. When you share a moment with someone that's unique to the two of you, it creates a bond. It could be something as small as an inside joke or as meaningful as a memory you create together. For instance, let's say you both love a certain coffee spot or laugh over a funny video. Next time you pass that cafe or hear something similar, guess what? She's thinking about you. Those shared experiences are like mental bookmarks in her brain, and they're powerful. The best part? You don't need grand gestures for this. It's the little thoughtful moments that stick, ones that make her smile out of nowhere because it reminds her of you. Number 4, confidence without flashiness. Let me tell you something that's key. Confidence isn't about showing off, it's about being comfortable in your own skin. When you're secure in who you are, it shows in everything you do. For example, let's say she throws a playful jab at you or challenges you. A confident man doesn't get defensive, he rolls with it. Maybe you laugh and say, "That's fair, I'll let you win this one." For now. Confidence is calm, it's playful, it's secure. The goal is to be someone who stands strong without needing validation from her or anyone else. That quiet assurance is something she won't forget because it's rare and incredibly attractive. 5. Give her room to miss you. Here's where a lot of guys mess up. They think being constantly available, replying instantly, always being around is how you show interest. But here's the truth. If you're always there, she'll take it for granted. Instead, focus on your own life. Have your own goals, hobbies, and routines that don't revolve around her. Maybe you go to the gym, work on a project, or hang out with your friends. When you're not always accessible, she starts wondering, what's he up to? It's not about playing games. It's about showing her that you have a full, exciting life. And in the spaces where you're not there, she'll find herself missing you. Number 6, stay 100% authentic. Finally, and this is the most important part, be yourself. I know it sounds cliche, but authenticity is what leaves the deepest impression. Don't try to act like someone you're not to impress her. Instead, show her the real you, the quirks, the passions, even the flaws. For example, if you're obsessed with cooking, share it with her. Maybe you burn the pancakes once in a while, but who cares? It's real. Women can sense authenticity a mile away, and it's what makes you stand out from every other guy who's trying to be someone he's not. At the end of the day, it's the real you that she'll think about, not the version you think she wants. Remember, making her think about you non-stop isn't about tricks or manipulation, it's about connection. When you make her feel seen, spark curiosity, create shared moments, and stay confidently authentic, you leave an impression that lasts. So, go out there and be the guy who stands out, Not by trying too hard, but by being the version of yourself that you're proud of. And let's talk in the comments. What's one thing you've done that left someone thinking about you non-stop?